the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey colorful weirdos, my name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I'm gonna bleach my sister's hair full bleach. So for this process, I did 2 times of bleaching, so 2 bleaching sessions. What I mean about bleaching session is today kayo magbi-bleach, then next week dun kayo magbi-bleach again. That's how bleaching session means. Hindi 2 times in 1 day kayo magbi-bleach kasi magpa-fry yung hair nyo talaga. You need your hair to rest kasi kaka-bleach nyo lang and wala na yung oils ng hair nyo. So, yeah, that's what I mean. Enjoy this video of me filming my sister doing her hair, bleaching her hair. Hey guys, I'll be doing a voiceover because it's easier for me to do that. So for her hair, what I'm doing right now is I section her hair into 4 because it's easier for me. And if you don't know what I mean about sectioning the hair, I actually did a tutorial about that on my own hair and I put the link on my description box below. So here I am still applying the bleach from Btch, and they also sell this set for 200 pesos. You get the bleach powder and the developer, tapos you have free pre-bleach coconut oil para di sumakit yung scalp nyo kasi bleaching really hurts the scalp. So having the coconut oil will really save your life, and it's good for beginners kasi their developer is actually 9%, which is good kasi some brands they give you 12% and that's not really good kasi sobrang tapang nun. And the 9 bleach is good for beginners talaga. And yeah, so it will not really ruin your hair that much pag 9% yung kinuha nyo. I also talked about this also in my previous videos. I will also link it down below. So I've done 2 methods with this bleaching session. So this one is I rarely do this kasi hindi ako sanay. I rarely go from back to front na bleach. But yeah, after I'm done now with the bleaching process, I made her rinse it with Hey Purple shampoo from Btch also. So yeah, so nakita niyo yung first bleaching session and you see how fast it lifts, and failed nga lang yung una pagka-bleach ko kasi di ako sanay sa method na yan. I just tried it. Tapos, I made her rinse her hair with the Hey Purple again from Btch. They just released this also and it's 180 pesos only. What I like about their purple shampoo is that it didn't stain my sister's hair and wala siyang purple stain sa bleach niya, and that's what I like about it. As you can see, wala siyang purple stain. Because some purple shampoo, it stains and sobrang hirap niyang tanggalin. Parang 3 or 4 days mo pa siyang matatanggal talaga. And so far, sa second session, hinabol ko lang yung bleach niya sa baba because some hindi pantay-pantay. So, I did that too. And then, I did a different method, which what I do always is from the back, then sa taas. So, this method is also okay. Basta, una nyo lang yung back hair nyo because that hair is the strongest hair. So, you know what I mean. Parang sila yung hindi na-expose. So, sa sun, so therefore, sila yung healthiest. Unlike sa taas, pag yun yung inuna nyo talaga, mas magiging fragile hair nyo. Because yun nga, mas exposed sila sa sun. And always deep condition your hair. Kasi, like I said, bleaching can be damaging and drying to your hair. So, having conditioner to your hair will help your hair parang smoothen, you know. So if you don't know kung saan pwede bumili ng conditioner and stuff like that, you can actually check out Btch as well. Meron din silang keratin conditioner. I highly recommend Reconstructor kasi maganda siya kasi I use this and sobrang nag-help talaga sa hair ko. And here, after the bleaching process that I'm doing right now, I'm gonna make her rinse again with Hey Purple shampoo para wala yung brassiness, and you will see here how nawala talaga yung brassiness ng hair niya because it really removed the orange tones. Because I really don't like the orange tones kasi pangit talaga siya. So yeah, the Hey Purple shampoo will help my sister's hair to like take it out. So here, I made her rinse it muna without the purple shampoo. Then, the result now with the purple shampoo is this one. Finished look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Medyo fail yung first session, but the second session, nabawi ko naman, nahabol ko naman yung hair niya. So after the bleaching session, tapos na siya, second bleach and stuff like that, we always tone it with purple shampoo. Kahit sa first session, we tone it with this one. She used Hey Purple by Btch, and it really toned her hair. Nawala yung orangey brassiness hair niya. So that's what purple shampoo does, is taking out the brassiness of the hair. The yellow, orangey hair. Yun. So yeah, she will keep using this pag wala na yung pagka-brass ng hair niya. I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.
It's the way you make